after video of Crowning Glory. Before I show you the hull, I do have a few concerns. First off is your shaft sinks. They are two-inch shaft sinks. I noticed that your starboard prop does not have prop speed on it. The port prop and both of the shafts do. I also noticed that there are no prop nuts holding on your starboard prop. So there is a good chance that if you decide to drive off with your boat, that it could fly off and we'd lose it, and then you'd need to get another one of those and get the props and a cotter pin. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that and show you the rest of the zincs. You do have a bow thruster, but I did not see a zinc on the bow thruster. So let's go ahead and check out the hull cleaning.